Are you ready for me? Hey guys, welcome back to the Minute Hustle. I've been working on so much stuff the last few months and I've got a new series coming and it looks amazing. A bit too amazing as well, trust me. That won't be aired until a couple of months from now, unfortunately, because there's stuff that still needs to go in place. But yo, be excited for it because if I explain a little bit about it, I'm gonna be taking people to the streets. I'm gonna be taking you guys to the streets with me, and you're basically gonna see the real hustle. That's all I can say for now, okay? So be sure to subscribe because you don't want to miss out on this new stuff that is about to come, okay? But today, I'm giving you another little hustle on how you can make some clean money. So this is what I call... Oh man, I'm running out of bloody intros, man. That's supposed to be smoke. That's supposed to be steam. The steam team. Yes, you heard me right, the steam team. Listen, this is for people, these are for couples. I mean, you can do this by yourself if you want, but it works better if you do it as a couple, okay? Now look, check this. How many times do you go to people's houses and you see dirty carpets and you see dirty wooden floors or just smudges in your wooden floors, and you just people don't even get down on their knees and clean that. They just leave it there. If you no, that's just my floor, yeah. No, I can't be bothered today. No, I will do it next week. No, it's fine. I will do it next week. I don't care. They just leave it. Sometimes it's hard to get that stuff off your floor, right? And all it takes is a steam cleaner, but people haven't caught onto it yet. So this is something you can do. You can offer steam cleaning as a job to people, and they will take it as well. I'm telling you now. I know people that already hire carpet cleaners to come and do it. They clean up the carpet and it's nice, but the steam cleaning also works too, and they're cheap. You can buy a steam cleaner for 20, 30 pounds, it's not expensive. And you imagine the profits you can make from it. And this is how you do it, right? So you bust online, yeah? You could bust on Facebook, Twitter, any kind of social, and you just put a little lyric like this. Let me get my phone. Yeah, so I'm offering steam cleaning. Steam cleaning for £15 for 20 minutes, or £15 for half an hour, or £25 for 1 hour. And people will pay. Listen, I know someone that just paid £20 to £25 to have their floor carpet cleaned, and that's just the carpet. The guy don't mess with wooden floors. So I know people are gonna pay to get it sorted, and it's great, it's cheap, and it's easy to do. So all you have to do is put your ads up, Gumtree, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, however you want to do it, right? However you want to market it. It's so easy. I'll just bust it on Facebook, done. Because once you bust it in the Facebook groups, you've got thousands of people looking at it in your area. Yeah? So you bust it in your Facebook groups, put a little thing just saying, you're offering steam cleaning for like 15. You can bust it for £10 for 15 minutes. I don't care. Because whoever sees it's gonna want it. You just bust out your steam, you go to the house, you bust out the steamer, steam up their floor, man. Steam up their kitchen floor, steam up their bloody hallways. Any part that's wooden, just steam it up for them. Just I'll do the whole house for you, £10, 15 minutes. Or you can, and because you might get someone, you say to them, oh yeah, I can do it for 10 minutes, I can do 15 minutes for £10. Or I can do the whole house for £25. And they'll be like, oh, okay, you might as well just do the whole house. Done. £25. Look, imagine if you and your partner did 5 houses, yeah, a day at £25. You're both reckoning £125 each. Together, it's £250 a day. Boom, bah! And I'm telling you, it will happen, it will work. And even if you both decided to bust it at £10 and you was getting £10 at 5 houses, 50 quid each is £100. That's nice money, man. Even if you did it by yourself and you was making £50 dog try to take my life. Every time I come up with a new episode, my dog try to take my life. Shh. Even, where was I? Even if you did it by yourself and you was making £50 a day, that's still nice. So I'm gonna go over the maths with you now, just to give you an example of what you can be making, right? So check this, right? So you bust out your steam cleaner. Not a long thing, it's not a long thing for you. They see your ad. Let's say you did 5 houses a day, right? At the bare minimum, £10. And you steam their floor for 15 minutes. Or 20, whatever prices you want to choose, yeah? Just yourself now. You are looking at £50 a day. Bomba! It's that simple. You steam the floor and it's done. Move on to the next house. Listen, what will happen is they will tell their friends, and their friends will tell their friends, and people will come and say, "Oh, your floor look nice. How'd you get that done?" Then, yeah, I just got one steamer guy. Yeah, he come every time and he sorts it out for me. It's done. It's not a problem. Yeah, I just pay him £10. It's done. Yeah. So word of mouth will spread quick, right? So imagine if you did this every day for 10 days straight, right? You are looking at £500. Bomba! It's really that easy. Look, you sit there and say, well, yeah, if it's that easy, why are people doing it? People ain't doing it because they don't know about it, man. They don't think like I think. I've got the brain power. I've got it. I will use it for you. I'm telling you now, I will use it for you. People don't know, but I will use it for you. But don't tell people. Rolling smoothly on. So you did this over the. So if you did this over the course of a month, right? What is that? £1,500. Bomba. This is easy money to make, and you could do this on the side. Listen, even if you was working your job and you decided to do it on the side, you still make good money, man. Look, some people work full time to take in £1,500, and then they got to take tax off that as well. And they probably end up with what, £1,200 a month. You're doing this by just steaming someone's floor. Oh, oh. Listen, if you can't see how this is a game changer for some people, you're mental, because this is gonna make you money. This is easy money. Look, all I'm saying to you is try it. You know, if you want to make money and you don't know how, this is a good one to do. Trust me. Trust me. Yeah, because there's no steamers out there. How many steamers do you know? I don't know anyone that steams floors. Apart from the ones at school, isn't it? You know, you got them big steamer things, but you don't need a big one like that, man. Just a dinky little 20 pack. Wait there, I'll show you. Where's my steamer? This is all you need, trust me. You know? You got that there? That comes off as well. You just bang that in the washing machine, bang, done, it's clean. Ready for the next person. But look how small this is. You see? Empire Steam, it's called. You don't know about Empire Steam. We know about Empire Steam. And that's it. You just take this and you're on the go. Done. You steam everywhere, man. It's done. So guys, have a think about this one, okay? And if it's something that you think you can get into, do it, because it's so easy. People always say that it's hard to find a decent job online, it's hard to make money online. It is not hard if you know where to look and what to do, trust me. So guys, make sure you smash the like button on this. I want to get 100 likes on this. That's a little to ask for. 100 likes. And make sure you click my subscribe button, which I'm going to bust in this corner. I'm busting it right there. Click my subscribe button and stay up to date with me. Click my notifications bell too. Click it somewhere. Click my notification bell so you don't miss nothing. Peace.